welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make video in your Lock Widget app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, first of all, simply tap open your Lock Widget app. Once you open it, you will have to create an account or get signed in into your account. So to create an account, simply type in your email address and hit the continue button. Once you are done, you will have to now simply choose a password. Then hit the continue button to choose your password as well. So after you have done this, you will end up in this kind of interface where you need to type in your name, like your first name and your last name, and hit the continue button. Now simply add a username as well. Here I am typing in happy and hit the continue button. However, if your username is already taken, you need to modify it as well. So after you have found your username, you can simply hit the continue button and get started. So after you have done this, you will end up in this kind of interface where you can add your friends as well. So once you have added a friend, you will be able to click videos or photos from your Lock Widget app. So simply open in this kind of interface and hit the shutter button. You need to hold on to the shutter button to take a video. So if you're going to press it, then it will be a photo. However, if you're going to hold it, then it will be a video. So you should see a yellow outline of the camera while the video is being recorded. So simply do that and you will be able to make a video on Lock Widget. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.